Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the TOPDON AD600S OBD2 scanner, and before you make a choice on which diagnostic tool to buy, you need to watch this comprehensive review. We've done extensive research and testing, and I'll show you exactly why this scanner has become a favorite among DIY mechanics. The best price link is waiting for you in the description below. So you clicked because you want to know if the TOPDON AD600S is worth your $209.99 investment, and we'll evaluate everything from its 9 reset services to real-world performance. Let's dive right in and get started. The TOPDON AD600S absolutely shines with its incredible 9 reset service capabilities, making it the most comprehensive diagnostic tool in its price range. This scanner features oil reset, brake reset, TPMS reset, throttle adaptation, SAS reset, BMS reset, ABS bleeding, DPF reset, and the newly added injector coding function. With 32 GB of memory and Android 11.0 operating system, this device boots up lightning fast and processes data with remarkable efficiency. What truly sets this scanner apart is its AutoAuth for FCA gateway access, a feature typically found in professional-grade tools costing twice as much. The device works on more than 90 vehicle brands and is compatible with OBD-I-equipped vehicles built after 1996, including both diesel 12V only and gasoline engines. This exceptional compatibility covers passenger cars, pickups, light-duty trucks, SUVs, and minivans across OBD2/EOBD/JOBD and CAN/CAN-FD protocols. The 5-inch color touchscreen display with high resolution makes navigation incredibly intuitive, especially compared to traditional button-based scanners. Icons are crystal clear and easily visible even in dark garage conditions. Moreover, the touch-sensitive interface responds instantly to commands, streamlining your diagnostic workflow significantly. For DIY mechanics and home enthusiasts, the 4-system diagnostic capability is outstanding. You can access AT/ENG/ABS/SRS fault codes to pinpoint exact issues, then utilize the full 10 OBD2 test modes to fix most emission-related problems. The AutoVIN technology automatically identifies your vehicle without manual input, saving valuable time during diagnostics. Furthermore, the live data display options are exceptional, presenting information in text format or as 4-in-1 merged waveform graphs. You can save, share, print, or email comprehensive inspection reports for detailed analysis or record keeping. The built-in DTC library eliminates the need for constant Google searches when interpreting error codes, while the innovative feedback module provides customized repair suggestions from certified professionals. One of the most impressive features is the lifetime free updates via Wi-Fi with absolutely no extra software fees. This ensures your scanner stays current with the latest vehicle models and diagnostic protocols. Additionally, the device has earned recommendations from popular automotive YouTuber Sam Crack, adding credibility to its professional-grade capabilities. However, one notable downside some users may find frustrating is that the device doesn't support 5G Wi-Fi networks, requiring a 2.4 GHz connection for updates. Also, while the AutoVIN feature is convenient, it doesn't work on all vehicles, which means occasional manual VIN entry is necessary. These minor limitations aside, the scanner delivers exceptional value for its price point. The target audience for this tool includes professional mechanics seeking an affordable secondary scanner, DIY enthusiasts wanting professional-grade diagnostics, and car owners interested in performing routine maintenance. With its 4.4-star rating on Amazon, users consistently praise its extensive functionality and user-friendly interface. You got it. So, that's it for the best OBD2 scanner on the market for this year. Like this video, comment if you're gonna buy it, or share your impressions, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews.